And last but not least, we have our pound yen. And let's see, on the monthly time frame, to be honest, I have it going down, but based on this most recent movement here, and this could just be a retracement. We're at that 61.8 here. Based on that movement in 2020, ever since COVID, it's been an uptrend. So that's what I'm going off of. All right. So on the weekly here, let's see. We still have it running. We got a 61.8 retracement. So if at any time this does decide to reverse, our take profit is going to be somewhere down here because we're matching red with red, right? And let's see this one on that uptrend, which is the stronger one at the moment because that's all we've been seeing is it moving up. So that's what we're going to play off of. That weekly, let's see, March of 2020, literally a year ago. On that A to be moved, B finishing in August of 2020. We did not get a retracement yet. We're still pushing up into the 118, 127 level. And so when that typically happens, I play that price will eventually at least hit 382 before continuing to the 1618 level. But that's when price comes into this zone here, either the 118 or the 127 level. So that's why I have this yellow box here. Basically, this is like my box of awareness. Hey, something's going to happen when the price comes into this zone. So be aware, be looking. So we haven't quite hit that 118 level yet. So not really worried about this one just yet. So based on that, let's go on the daily time frame. Let's see if our fib is still running. Got to zoom out a little bit. Let's see. It is still running. So based on here, we are in that 118, 127 zone here before we get that 382 retracement. So this box, hey, price, something's gonna happen when price comes here. Be on the lookout. And then I also had a specific price point, this yellow line here, which you can't see because it's yellow on yellow. Something did happen when price came to that zone here and then retested here. We started to see that downtrend. We also had a trend line break and a retest. So are we ready to short? Let's take a look here. So if we wanted to play this daily play here, based on how I usually play this, I would put my take profit here. Thank you. And I would put my stop loss probably around here, just to be safe. I might even put it just above this monthly support and resistance zone, but I'm going to be risque and I'm going to put it a little bit below. It's going to be in here, right? And so let's see, this is risking 430 pips to make over 1,500. So that's a great play here. But before we decide, let's take a look at what's happening on that 4 hour. Is our fib still running? Let's go all the way down. This is where it started. Let's see. I don't see any more after that. So that means that fib got taken out. All right, so let's see. Let's see here. Looks like I started another one here in September of 2022. But why? Why did I start it there? Taken out. And what is this? Nothing. Delete it. All right. Nothing. Nothing. Taken out. Taken out. And obviously, there's no need for me to put one here because we knew it's going to get taken out down here. So this is our current fib for the 4 hour and what's happening here. Okay. We got a 382 retracement. So red matches with red. This is the D extension here. And oh, look, this is where that yellow line is. Hey, something's gonna happen here. Watch out, pay attention, pay attention. What happened? We got that break and a retest. Now, I don't think it finished this fib off because this was a 191644. 191644. And we got 191302. We needed 644. So that fib did not finish out yet. However, look at that super strong bearish trend, then a retest, and then it's like, oh, no, we're gonna keep going down. So for me, I would take the risk, and I would still put my stop loss above that just in case price decided to come back and finish out this D extension. My stop loss is above that, so I would still be safe, and I would probably even move it somewhere up here just to be super, super safe. And then I would actually take that daily play because this 4 hour is almost finished, so I wouldn't even try to do anything with that. So based on that daily play here, based on that daily play here, let me move this over here. Price is here, stop loss is here, take profit, gonna be in here. How much is that? 500 for at least 16. So that's a 3-to-1. That's a great play. And we got our trend line break and a retest. Now I'm looking to short, especially with all the news coming out with the Japanese yen's economy, how it's doing. I'm looking to short. And so that's the pound yen. Let's see here. And even here, I mean, that's still a really good point. So those are my top 5 plays that I'm looking to trade this week. We got the Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, the Euro dollar, the Euro yen, and the pound yen. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you decided to take any of these trades and you made some profit, please let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.